Hi everyone, welcome to Eye on the Time. Today we have a hot new release from a brand called Erebus, which some of you may know is the brand started by Jody from Just One More Watch out of Australia. Let's go ahead and check this out. I just received it today. That's a nice little case it comes in. And then we have an invoice and we have extra straps. I got the black strap pack. So this is just an unboxing video. We're just going to open this up and let's see what we think. Alright. It's nice, it's got spots for 2 watches. Cleaning cloth. Let's see here, warranty cards. Some thank you from Steven and Jody. Oh, this is nice. Gives you this little card here. Just to make sure, you know, everything goes smoothly with your watch. These are really nice too. They're like plastic, they're like credit cards. These are nice. Let's open this up here. I've got the cleaning cloth, then you got the divider, and here's the star to show. This is the Aventurine Ascent, or the Erebus Ascent with the Aventurine dial. So I got the Aventurine dial with the O-style bracelet because that's what my better half thought was nicer. I personally prefer the green helix on the J-strap, although it is very, very close between the two for me, so I'm not disappointed with buying this one. When I first saw this watch today, I was immediately impressed with how good it looks and also a little bit underwhelmed, but that's just me. I spent a lot of time on websites looking at different watches and, you know, high quality photos, and so my expectations are often unrealistically high. Especially for a $500 watch, roughly. I think I paid $483 American for the watch and the strap on the pre-order pricing. So let's go ahead and get it out of here and take a look at it. It's actually strapped in there. That's nice. There's that little strap. And we've even got a tool to do the sizing on the bracelet, so that's nice. We'll set this off to the side for now. Everything is covered in plastic to help protect the watch, which is good. And let's see if we can make that dial sparkle. There you go, you can see it a bit. This is just the unboxing video and some first impressions, so when I do my full review, I'll make sure to get some beautiful outdoor shots of this thing really sparkling. For now, let's take the plastic off and check out the watch. Getting the plastic off wasn't too bad. I did notice in the process of doing that though that the sapphire crystal picks up smudges pretty easy, which I can live with honestly, especially since they give you a nice cloth. So you can take care of that really quick. And I'm not worried about it overall. Got that beautiful Erebus logo and indices which are applied, the nice frame color matched date wheel. Erebus logo on the crown, really nice. And this clasp is signed and pretty nice overall. It's got some micro adjustment. It's a little stiff right now. I'll have to work on that for the full review. This has a screw down crown, also a screw down case back with a beautiful Erebus logo on there. I really like that logo, so I'm not too disappointed that it's not a exhibition case. Looks like I missed some plastic on there too, I guess, if you can see that red line. I'll get that off eventually. The bracelet has quick release spring bars, which is always nice. And this has 10 atmospheres of water resistance. Got Erebus Ascent, 10 atmospheres. Automatic Miyota 9015 and sapphire engraved on the back. So to wrap up my first impressions, this is a pretty high quality watch in my opinion. At least it's probably one of the highest quality in my small collection, right there next to one of my Tissot's. Everything about this is just really nice, solid, feels well made even though it's made in China. So we'll see how this feels on the wrist, and we'll get back to you with a full review coming soon. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good YouTube stuff. I'll catch you guys later. Keep an eye on the time.